Hey guys, what's up? What's poppin'? What's going on? Sugar right back with another video. Today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a phone that I just got today. I just came back from getting it, and I'm gonna be comparing and showing you the two accessories I got for it. So yeah, I mean it's like in one thing. I can't really explain it. But I'm going to, take the case off of it so I can compare it to my new phone. But anyways, should I put my phone right here? Yeah, okay. So basically, here's my phone I'm using right now. Oh, and also I'm going to be showing you me setting it up. So I have the phone I'm using right now and the phone I'm about to start using. We got the iPhone. Okay, first of all, this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. No, it looks like that, and this is the front of it. As you can see, it's in gold. And then this is my old phone box, and don't mind it. It has a cord in it. And this is the size difference, like half size difference. It's like half of it. Hold on. And this is like the height difference. So as you can see, it's half either way. So I'm so happy. All right. Here we go. But yeah, so here's the phone, and it's height. It's like the what you call it, the weight of it. The weight is a whole difference. So oh my god. Alright, so before I even start talking about the phone, here's the cord of it, and as you can see, it you need to have a plug with it, but it's coming tomorrow, so yeah. And then I have this, to put in the SIM card, then the Apple sticker or whatever, and yeah, so hold on. Oh, then the directions and stuff, but watch me struggle to put this in, except for I need this part. Didn't even go in. Alright, so that was that. And it's like, hold on, let me show you. It's, first of all, this part is very flat compared to the other phone. Since I got nails on, it's, oh my god. But this is the phone. Alright, but this is the phone. That's what it looks like on the back. And then this is the front. And you know, it tells you all the things, silent mode or whatever. Turn up, what you call it? The volume buttons, and then the power button. And then so this is the phone. Eek. Okay. So everyone, I was vlogging it, so y'all, I just got the phone. I just unboxed it.
Right, so, okay, so here's the phone, like I said, and here's the back, but let's get ready to turn this thing on. So it's on, as you can see, and it says, hello, period. Alright, so before I even get started, so I have this case I got, and this other case, and I'm about to put the case on, but I don't think I'm going to be dropping this today. And also this case matches with my iPad case, so yeah, and I didn't even notice it till just yesterday when I came. Hold on, how do you do it? Oh, I need it. Let me try pushing this. Oh. Oh. So it's very, very protective. I think it goes over the phone. This part, oh yeah, it does. Alright, so I'm not going to do it just yet. I'm just going to put it in the case. But I'm about to get this set up. It's so different. So here it says quick start or set up manually. I'm gonna set it up manually. Oh yeah, I forgot the password. It is like, yeah, like that. Mom, what's the password to the internet? Why did you never see it? I can't. Excuse me, yes. You press that down. Dang it. Alright, I just got the password. It's connected. Check. Let's put a check right there. So now it's all in, nothing can fall out. Next. I'm gonna put this in fast motion.
But I never showed y'all the difference. Look at the difference. It's much smaller because I had the iPhone 11 and now I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max.
And y'all, I'm so impatient, so like, I'm sorry if I keep on like, if y'all see me do. It always does that. Needs the light. No.
White. Alright, so basically, let's see what apps I got on here already. Oh, I already got all the apps alright. Well, most of the apps I needed.
Because I really need an iMovie for, you know, the editing, series. I need widget Smith. So I'm gonna get that. Widgets Smith. I'm gonna fix something real quick. And yeah, so I'm about to get all the apps I need for the phone. And yeah. blurry, but it's good. Let's see portrait mode. Ew, I'm not adding that. Let's see what they have. I hear they have night mode. I'm gonna try to go somewhere. Oops, what?
Oh, my closet is dark. So.
I was struggling.
Alright, so y'all, I did it. So if y'all like this video, make sure you wait, hold on. I'm about to do the comparison. Hold on. Alright, so if y'all like this video, like, comment, subscribe, turn post notifications, follow all my social medias in the intro. If you want a shout out, comment hashtag #ANation, period. And if y'all want what's on my iPhone video, comment down. I said hashtag #ANation. I meant hashtag ear week. What? Hashtag weird kid Ari. So yeah. Bye.